tonight. 6 laps in, 4 laps to go. The final heat race for the dirt car late models. After this, I'll turn it back over to Doug Mealy for 3 heat races. Race fans, friendly reminder, visit the Arizona Sports Shirts souvenir trailer and grab your official 2019 Dirt Car Summer Nationals t-shirt. Off of turn number 4, Ryan Shirley leads us here. Keeper having a good heat race here tonight. Started 6th.
Got a good lead.
Shirley.
Right here, we can keep it.
But race fans, your heat race winner out of Chatham, Illinois, and the Kids Castle Learning Center, Thomas & Express, KBC Graphics, Rocket Durham Powered. Number 3, let's give him a hand, Brian Shirley. Derek, down to you. As Ruben said.